Welcome back. This is Danielle from Explore Yourself Natural. Today we are going to be making a fresh and clean soap. So this particular soap, I've changed up the look and actually the scent a couple times in the length that I've been selling it. It is part of my core line, and this is the new look. I changed the colors up about 6 months ago. So it's just pink clay, green clay, and then the rest is uncolored, just a regular base. And then I did want to show the packaging. So this is what my soap looks like. I do plan on actually getting customized boxes in 2024. My biggest goal for 2024 is actually just to kind of like up my packaging, just to make myself a little bit more different than others out there, to make it a little bit more apparent when people see a product. They'll go, oh my gosh, that's Sin or Explore Yourself Natural. So that's really like my goal, essentially, or one of my goals, I should say, business-wise for 2024. So this is what it looks like. Let's get to making. Let's go. And for the scent of this product, I did change it up a little bit as well. It used to be lavender, lemon, and eucalyptus, and I did change the lemon out. It wouldn't hold very well for the scent retention, and I changed it to lemongrass. So now it is lavender, lemongrass, and eucalyptus, and I really like the scent and the retention itself. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.